Hello everybody, I'm Nick Hoffman, Application Engineer for Oros North Americas. In this video, I'm going to be showing you a little about force and response windowing during an impact test. Damping of the structure under test is very low. In the time view, it's clear that the structure is still vibrating by the end of the time window. In this case, the FFT algorithm will introduce a large computation leakage, visible by spectral lobes and noise at high frequency. Phase of the FRF is also very unstable. The solution to this is to apply an exponential window to the virtually damped signal that will be analyzed by the FFT. The orange plot is the result when the response window is applied. The noise and leakage are now gone. One thing to keep in mind is that windowing, like any filter, will induce slight error, so they have to be used carefully. Let's see how to tune those windows to minimize their impact on signal processing. First, let's apply force and response windows to the hammer and accelerometer inputs. We can access the FFT settings from the results window. In the Channels tab, we change the type of windowing to force for the hammer input and to response for the 3 acceleration inputs. In the case of numerous inputs, duplication is convenient thanks to the copy and paste feature. Now let's create a dedicated layout from the Displays Graphs ribbon to see the effects of the force and response windowing outside the main layout. To clearly see the impact of force windowing, we will overlay the triggered and weighted blocks, which is before and after the windowing takes effect, of the force. Then we will do the same for the response windowing in another window. And then a measurement is ran to see the results. In the Analyzer Settings browser, we have access to the window settings with a double click. To adjust response window, one needs to drag the vertical line from the window's settings so that all energy of the impact is included in the response window. To minimize windowing effect, we can modify the slope of the exponential shape. Now let's adjust the force window. As shown in the previous step, one needs to drag the vertical lines so that the impulse energy is included in the gate filter.